Good afternoon, everybody. Today is going to be Fire Alarm Test 3, and we're going to be testing this out. Today's test, we're going to be testing the system sensor PC2W ceiling mount spectralert advanced. And I do have it set on, indicated by this indicator here, I have it set on 115 candela, so it's going to have a very, very bright strobe. Let's take a look at the back. I do have these wired up correctly, but let's take the mounting kit off, the mounting plate. That red wire is where I have the red wire, that's the negative. These two are the positive. So you have to connect these two positive ends to the positive part of the battery and the negative to the negative part of the batteries. Let's take a look at the back here. Here's the candela slider. The slider that changed candela. It clicks like that, but it's hard to do it with one hand, but I'm not going to change candela. And I do have it set on temporal code 3 low volume. Get a focus on it, please. The camera doesn't want to focus. The model... Come on, camera. Hold on. Get a focus on the camera. There we go. Finally. Camera has focusing issue. System sensor. Model number is PC2W. I'm very good with model numbers. That audio selective knob right there selects the tones if you want it in continuous or code 3. I have it in code 3 low volume. And I have these wired up correctly. Now but that's more specific in some other way. Anyways, that's a... Now here comes the fun part of System Test 3. How does this alarm actually perform? What does it sound like? And here's the fun part. We're going to test it. Well, I do have it set on low volume code 3, but it's going to end up painfully loud, but not really too loud, but it is painfully loud, so I'm going to go get ear protection on, so hold on a minute. I'm going to go get ear protection on. Where did I put it? Where did I put my ear protection? Here they are. Well, I use these old headphones for ear protection, but they still work. This is what I wear for ear protection. So, it's gonna pretty much have the same noise as my classic spectralert, but deeper tone. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And yes, I do have this thing set on low volume, but it's still pretty loud. That actually wasn't so bad. Now let's try it with the lights off, because this is a 2-wire alarm. I'm going to try it with the lights off. So hold on. Okay guys, you ready? And imagine the strobe is very, very bright. It is 115, what's what it's set on. So, here it goes. That was pretty cool. And one thing, guys, this alarm is very, very loud, but not too loud because I have it set on temporal code 3. Take my ear protection off. I had to say, that thing really worked. So my ears don't hurt that much. It really works, guys, trust me. Try it out. So, I like to say this was the loudest system test I ever had. System test 3. Well, actually, fire alarm test 3. Well, it does have a lower pitch than my other alarms, which I have. Well, I don't have it with me right now, but well, I'll show you the other ceiling mount that I have. Hold on. It's just like my other ceiling mount that I have. It's just like the other one, but it has a rounder strobe. But this one has a deeper tone than this one. This one's higher pitch, this one's low pitch. It has a deeper tone. It is very, very loud, but it's not going to be too loud if you have it set on low volume. But if you have set on low volume and it's not too loud, then you should be good. So, I hope you enjoy Fire Alarm Test 3, which is the loudest system test that I ever had. But the classic Spectre alerts that I have were very loud too. So, here it goes. I just took it off just for fun. Well, the strobe is a very high candela strobe. So how do you like it? I hope you enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 3, and that's it. Thank you. Thank you to you all. Thank you. Yeah, I know. A lot of loud noises are not really good for camera microphones. I hope this didn't damage my microphone of my phone camera. Usually some things are really loud that can damage your microphone. So, I think it didn't do bad. So, this was not a bad system test at all. So, this was Fire Alarm Test 3. I hope you enjoyed it. And that's it. I'm glad you guys are be able to hear this thing. So, peace to you all. Stay tuned for more videos pretty soon. Bye.